Improve your balance with this 5-minute barre session you can do from anywhere. Better stability and better balance in just 5 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Are you ready? Let's go.
Today we are going to be working on our balance. The only equipment you will need is a chair or maybe a kitchen countertop, something that you can place 2 fingers on to help support you through some of our movement. We'll begin with the feet underneath the hips and standing just nice and tall. I want you to begin by just taking this into a little bounce, nice and easy, just kind of relaxing those joints, shaking it out, and then press to find your stand. Try and find a nice, tall, pretty posture and avoid locking out the knees here. Standing here, I want you to think about shifting your weight. So first, I'm going to shift my weight here towards the balls of the feet and the toes, and then I'm going to shift my weight back towards the heels. Now I want you to imagine that you have some roots growing down out of your feet into the floor, and there's 4 corners of your feet that are staying planted on the floor. So you're not lifting the toes and you're not lifting the heels. It's just a very small sway, kind of like a tree in the wind, whatever makes sense to you in terms of imagery. We're just shifting forward and back. Just a few more here. One good way to challenge yourself in this movement is you can try closing your eyes to see how that might change. Bring it to center, and now we're going to shift side to side. So if you're talking about like the face of a clock, this would be your 3 o'clock and your 9 o'clock. Be sure that you don't roll the ankles. You're keeping a nice neutral spine here. Side to side. A couple more. And bring it back to center. Now we're going to move through this as though you are working a clock face. So I'm going to shift my weight forward to the balls of the feet and the toes without lifting those heels, and I'm going to shift over to my 3 o'clock, back to 6 o'clock, over to 9 o'clock, and to 12. Again, over to 3 o'clock, back to 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 12. Let's reverse. Over to 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3, and 12. One more time. 9, 6, 3, 12, and bring it back up to a stand. Check in with the knees. Be sure you're not locking out here. Now I want you to shift forward and backward. This time you are going to lift the heels and you are going to lift the toes. You're just going to rock back and forth. Now if you're struggling with your balance during these movements, take a moment here to find a focal point, some point on the wall in front of you about eye level so you can really focus on. That helps you with your balance, gives you something to concentrate on. Just a couple more here. And plant those feet. Again, think about those roots growing down into the floor, keeping you grounded here. We're now going to shift the weight to one leg. I'm going to shift here to my right leg, standing up nice and tall. Now I want to avoid sitting over into one hip. So I'm keeping this press out of the floor. And with my left foot, I'm going to slowly begin to peel it up from the heel to the ball, up to the toe. Keep that toe grounded. Lower back down toe, ball of the foot to the heel. Now shift your weight, other side. Peel up heel, ball, toe, and lower, toe, ball, heel, shift your weight. Check in with your abdominals, check in with your shoulders, standing nice and tall. Toe, ball, heel, shift your weight. Peel it heel, ball, toe, and lower, toe, ball, heel. One more time. Peel it heel, ball, toe, and lower, toe, ball, heel. We're going to add on to this, adding a little more challenge, lifting the leg off of the floor. We're going to shift back to that right leg and peel up the left heel, ball, toe. Now find a deeper scoop and press out of the floor as you lift and lower toe, ball, heel. If you need to bring fingertips to your chair or your surface, you can do that. If feel heel, ball, toe, scoop, lift, lower toe, ball, heel. Keep going. Lift, heel, ball, toe, and lower, toe, ball, heel, lift, heel, ball, toe, and lower, toe, ball, heel. One more time each side. Heel, ball, toe, and lower, toe, ball, heel, lift, heel, ball, toe, lift, and toe, ball, heel. Finish here with lifting, going through a few prances to kind of work that out. Good job. Thanks for joining me today.
Subscribe to our channel for a new weekly 5-minute session you can do every day to target problem areas. Or you can combine all the sessions for a full body workout.